want to show you how to play with this toy. Mama, so we will be right back by building this. Action. Hi guys, I'm just getting out some pieces here, so I'm gonna get these out. You guys can watch it. We're not gonna do this for long. Okay. A few more pieces to go. Kind of noticing some of these pieces don't have these for the screwdriver, and these actually have holes. Okay, it's hard to get out. Oh, they can stick. And now this is for a little, and it's big. So when you take this out, look, you can use this to carry around with you. We're not going to do that actually. I'm going to take all this stuff out. Hi guys, I want to show you something. So here's something I really like. It's a measuring tape. Okay, so it's not actually measuring tape, but it's a cool measuring tape because you could do it like this, or this, or this. So cool, isn't it, guys? Hi guys. Hey, I want to show you one more. I want to show you this. This is kind of weird. 3 things in a row. Now, this is what it looks like when I want to do like this. Okay, so I actually have to do like this. So if I want to screw it, I pretend I can't actually make it up. Hi, and I want to show you one of my tool things. Okay, first we're starting with these that go in here. Oh, and here's our kitty. Phil, you can't be in this instruction video. This is important. And here's our cat, destroying our party. Now, no guys, so I just showed you these. I'm just putting them in. So be patient. Don't have to cry. Just be patient. What we're doing here. Okay, this can't fit. Alright. Oh, a hammer. Now, let's put that hammer right here. Actually, right here. I'll have choices to pick it. There's this screwdriver. A little bit dangerous, but not dangerous for me. It's just a toy, and I'm an instruction worker. Well, it did came with a hat, but you can pretend you're wearing a hat. And here is a saw that to cut. Ooh, be careful. These things are dangerous. So one of you gets to not have them. And this is for this. And that's all the room we have. That's all the room we have. And here's a measuring tape that I already showed you. And here's this again. Cool. And you can use it for your saw. You can connect it to something. Let's put it here because I don't have very much room. And this is a cool thing. It sticks together. You can take them off, put it like that. Or you could just stick them together. I can just make them a little bit better. Here is the back of the box. And here's all the things I showed you. See all the things I showed you. I them in here. Because see, just a little belt. Now, bye guys. Comment down below if you like this video. So, bye.